He kept his head looking down. He never spoke in the meetings. He watched other people succeed first. He accepted his small, silent life. Then, a foreign language rebuilt him. Meet Alex. Alex lives in Warsaw, Poland. He is 25 years old. Alex is an incredibly smart but very shy young man. He's a programmer. He spends his weekends building beautiful open-source projects. He even built a clever little tool to help people search for emojis on their computers. But Alex has a problem. He is terrified of people. When he goes to the supermarket, he looks at the floor. When he is at work, he hides in the back row. Alex wants to share his emoji project with the world. He wants to publish his code on the internet so other developers can use it. But the global technology world speaks English. Alex looks at the empty screen. He needs to write the instructions in English. He needs to talk to international users. He feels a heavy wall in front of him. His shyness and his lack of English keep him locked inside a very small, quiet box in Warsaw. One cold winter night, Alex makes a decision. He does not want to live in the small box forever. He decides to learn English. He does not tell his friends. He studies quietly in his bedroom. He learns the grammar. He memorizes the vocabulary. He listens to podcasts every single morning on his way to work. At first, it is just a hobby. It is just words on a page. 6 months later, Alex takes a brave step. He translates the instructions for his open-source project into English. He publishes the code on the internet. 3 days later, he gets a message. It's from a developer in Canada. The message says, "This is amazing! Thank you for building this tool." Alex stares at the screen. His heart beats fast. A complete stranger on the other side of the planet just used his work. The first door is open. Alex starts joining online developer communities. Because nobody in these groups knows the shy Alex from Warsaw, he feels a strange freedom. He turns on his microphone. He speaks in English. He makes mistakes, but nobody laughs. They just talk about code, projects, and ideas. Slowly, the shy man begins to disappear. When he speaks English, he doesn't feel like the quiet boy from Poland anymore. Alex discovers a beautiful psychological secret. When you speak your native language, you carry all of your history. Alex's Polish voice held all of his childhood fears and his teenage shyness. But a new language is a blank page. English had no history for Alex. English Alex was not shy. English Alex was a brave, confident software developer who shared his ideas with the world. 2 years pass. Alex is a completely different person. He applies for a senior job at a massive global company. The interview is on a video call with managers from London and New York. The old Alex would sweat, panic, and close the computer. But the new Alex smiles. He answers their questions in clear, steady English. He even makes a small joke. He gets the job. His salary triples. His life completely changes. Alex moves to a beautiful new apartment in Warsaw. But the biggest change is not the money. The biggest change is his world. He travels to a technology conference in Berlin. He stands in a bright room, drinking coffee and laughing with friends from Brazil, Japan, and Spain. He looks around the room. He is making eye contact. He is smiling. He is loud. Alex goes to the washroom and looks in the mirror. He remembers the boy who used to hide in the back row. He remembers the boy who was terrified to speak. He looks at the confident man in the mirror today. he realizes something incredible. He thought he was just learning how to communicate. He thought English was just a tool for his resume. He was wrong. English did not just change his words, it completely rebuilt his identity. English was the master key. It opened the door to a new career. It opened the door to global friendships. But most importantly, it opened the door to the best version of himself. Alex walks back out to his friends. He is not hiding anymore. The silent life is gone forever, replaced by a loud, beautiful, international world. My friends, why are you learning English today? Are you just trying to pass an exam? Are you just trying to put a new skill on your resume? Look bigger. A new language is not just a list of vocabulary words, it is a master key. Have the courage to keep studying. When you learn this language, you are not just learning how to talk to new people, you are building a completely new, confident version of yourself. There are doors waiting for you that you do not even know exist. Thank you for watching The Second Life on Meadow Tales Hub. Go turn the key today. Goodbye.